Section 80D Deductions. A smart tax planning guide. The rising need for health insurance. Medical costs in India are rising fast, estimated at nearly 14% annually. Yet, a large portion of the population remains uninsured. In this landscape, a family health insurance policy isn't just a safety net, it's a smart financial tool. What is Section 80D? Section 80D of the Income Tax Act allows taxpayers to claim deductions on premiums paid for health insurance for themselves and their families. But here's the catch: these benefits are only available under the old tax regime. Who can claim and how much? Let's break down the benefits. Premiums for self and family under 60 years up to 25,000 rupees. Premiums for parents above 60 years up to 50,000 rupees. If everyone is above 60, up to 1 lakh rupees. Preventive health checkups, 5,000 rupee per person, included within the overall limit. Example scenarios. Say you pay 20,000 rupees for premiums and 5,000 rupees for a health checkup. You can claim 25,000 rupees under Section 80D. Or, if you spend 25,000 rupees on premiums and 25,000 rupees on treatment for senior citizen parents, you can claim 50,000 rupees. Old versus new tax regime. Under the old regime, Section 80D offers significant deductions. But the new regime? No exemptions, no deductions, including Section 80D. So, if you have high medical insurance premiums, the old regime may still be your best bet. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these pitfalls. Paying premiums in cash, only preventive checkups qualify. Claiming for siblings or independent adult children, not allowed. Missing documentation, no proof, no deduction. Confusing Section 80D with Section 80C, they're separate. Documentation and compliance tips. To claim smoothly. Keep receipts, bank statements, and electronic payment records. Preserve insurance policy copies. Save bills for preventive checkups. Report deductions correctly under Section 80D when filing returns. More than just tax savings. Section 80D isn't just about saving tax. It's a fiscal safeguard against rising healthcare costs. With the right insurance, proper documentation, and a clear understanding of tax regimes, families can maximize their benefits. Make Section 80D a cornerstone of your financial planning.
Network 18 is now the clear leader in digital media, with 55% more users on native platforms and social media than Times Internet. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.